If you've ever used a portable charcoal grill that either burns food too fast or struggles to stay hot long enough to cook properly, you already know how frustrating outdoor grilling can get. A lot of compact grills focus so much on portability that they completely forget about actual cooking performance. That's what makes the FireSense Yakatori charcoal grill interesting. Instead of relying on thin metal construction like most portable grills, this one takes inspiration from traditional Japanese tabletop barbecue cooking with a handmade clay design that's built specifically to hold and radiate heat differently. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. This grill is clearly designed for people who care about flavor and cooking experience more than just convenience. It's aimed at campers, backyard grill fans, apartment balcony cooks, and anyone who enjoys smaller tabletop-style grilling sessions with family or friends. And honestly, the first thing that stands out about it is how different it feels compared to the usual portable charcoal grills flooding the market right now. Visually, this thing has a very traditional Japanese barbecue aesthetic. The handmade clay body gives it a more authentic, almost rustic appearance that immediately separates it from standard steel camping grills. It looks less like outdoor equipment and more like something designed specifically for cooking as an experience. The tan clay finish paired with the chrome cooking grate gives it a clean but old-school style that works surprisingly well on patios, picnic tables, and backyard setups. But the clay construction isn't just about looks. One of the biggest advantages here is heat retention. Clay naturally absorbs and radiates heat differently than thin metal grills, which helps create a steadier cooking environment. In real-world use, that translates to more even cooking and better moisture retention in foods like chicken, skewers, steaks, and vegetables. Food tends to stay juicier because the heat feels less harsh and more consistent compared to some portable grills that create aggressive hot spots directly over the charcoal. The adjustable ventilation system also helps more than you might expect. Temperature control on small charcoal grills can sometimes feel like guesswork, but being able to regulate airflow gives you a decent amount of flexibility depending on what you're cooking. Open it up for stronger heat when searing meat or close it down slightly for slower cooking. It's simple but effective, and because the grill uses internal charcoal grates, airflow underneath the coals stays relatively consistent, which helps maintain steady heat throughout the cook. Another thing I appreciate is how naturally this grill fits into smaller outdoor spaces. Not everyone wants or needs a giant backyard smoker taking up half the patio. This tabletop-style setup works especially well for apartment balconies, camping trips, beach cookouts, and smaller gatherings where portability and simplicity matter more than massive cooking capacity. The 17-inch cooking surface is enough for a small group without feeling cramped, and the included stand with handles makes transportation easier than the clay construction might initially suggest. Now, to keep this balanced, there are definitely a few things to consider before buying. First, because the body is handmade from clay, you do need to handle it with a little more care than a standard steel grill. It's durable for normal use, but it's not the kind of grill you want to toss carelessly into the back of a truck with heavy camping gear piled on top. Also, clay grills generally take a little longer to fully heat up compared to thinner metal alternatives. The trade-off is better heat retention and more even cooking once it reaches temperature, but patience definitely helps here. Compared to similarly priced portable charcoal grills, though, the FireSense Yakatori stands out because it prioritizes cooking quality and authentic charcoal flavor over pure portability. Many compact grills are designed mainly for convenience, but this one feels more focused on creating a better grilling experience overall. If you enjoy traditional charcoal cooking and want something with a more authentic Japanese tabletop barbecue feel, it offers something genuinely different from the usual portable grill options. Overall, this is probably best for people who enjoy relaxed outdoor cooking, smaller gatherings, and authentic charcoal flavor rather than high-volume grilling. It's ideal for campers, patio cooking, apartment balconies, and anyone who wants a portable charcoal grill that feels unique instead of disposable. If that sounds like your kind of setup, check the link in the description before grilling season makes these harder to find. And if this review helped you out, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more honest product reviews focused on real-world use instead of overhyped marketing.